Across the metro are preparing for the inevitable spread of coronavirus here in Kansas City.
So you may see some different procedures when walking into a hospital or urgent care. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar reports from Menorah Medical Center in Leawood.
Right now, all HCA Midwest health facilities are screening everyone who walks in their buildings. You'll be greeted with signage like this and with a registered nurse who will ask you a few questions to determine whether or not you're at risk of spreading COVID-19 to patients and staff.
Hi there, ma'am. I'm just going to ask you a couple screening questions.
Nurses at Menorah Medical Center now have one more responsibility: door duty.
You know anyone who's had a specific diagnosis of coronavirus?
Starting today, all HCA Midwest health facilities are consolidating entrances to their buildings. Everyone will be asked about symptoms, travel, and contact with sick people. Patients who answer yes to any questions will be asked to wear a mask, then taken to an isolated area for treatment. Anyone else will be asked to leave.
We've had a lot of phone calls, and we've had a few patients who've come in to determine whether or not they're positive. We've had no positive patients at this point, but we have had quite a few phone calls and a lot of interest amongst our employees as well.
Chief Medical Officer Kimberly McGow says Kansas City needs to take precaution, but not panic.
We have taken precautions to make sure we have ample supplies and equipment available to take care of patients should we see a large influx of sick patients related to this virus.
The hospital is also working to secure additional temporary staff for a potential local pandemic. Johnson County health officials Saturday said all patients first have to test negative for the flu before being eligible to test for COVID-19. That would make clinics and doctors' offices a hot spot for potential patients.
There's some controversy as to whether or not that's going to be a continuing recommendation.
The greeter inside is actually required to hand out masks to some people who she screens, but she actually has to keep them hidden because she says so many people are asking to buy them when they see them. Of course, health officials are still advising that those masks should only be worn by people who are sick and, of course, healthcare workers. Reporting in Leawood, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.